Hi, it's Dora.
Oh, and Jamie.
We're from Play in the Park and Albany Public Library, bringing you another great Better Beginnings STEM Storytime activity.
Tell us again what STEM is, Dora.
STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering and Maths. Lots of fun activities and games with STEM. Okay, today let's start off with a song about an egg.
Yay!
Yeah. Do you know the Humpty Dumpty song? Want to sing it with me?
Sure do.
Here we go. Sit Humpty Dumpty up on top of the wall.
Yep.
Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Oh, splat! All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Ah, poor Humpty. Pick yourself back up again. Up on the wall. Ready? Here we go again. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Splat! All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Oh dear, thanks for playing the game, Humpty. Okay, this time let's do a song called London Bridge.
Okay.
Do you know that one?
I do.
Okay, let's get our London bridges. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Build it up with wood and clay, wood and clay, wood and clay. Build it up with wood and clay, my fair lady. Great job, good building. Okay, this time, Jamie, let's play another game. I've brought some Lego to play with today, or Duplo.
I've got some directions.
Ooh, have you got some positional words for me to copy?
I have.
Okay, let's see how we go.
Okay, I'm going to tell you the positional word.
Yep.
And you're going to try and do it
Okay.
with the blocks.
Yay, I love playing with blocks.
Here we go. Place the red block.
Red block.
On top of the blue block.
Ooh, okay, I've got my red block and I need to put it on top of my blue block. And there it is. My red block is on top of my blue block.
Wait, let's check. Red on top of blue. She got it right.
Yay!
Oh, phew. All right, next one is place the yellow block besides the green block.
Ooh, my yellow block beside a green block. There's a green block. Let's put the yellow block beside it. There we go.
Ooh, let's check. Green, yellow, beside. She's done it.
Yay!
Next one, place the white block
Ooh, I do have one white block.
through the red block. Through
the red block. Okay, I think I'm going to have to do some building. Let's put some red blocks here.
Can she do it, Humpty?
There we go. And the white block is going through the red block.
She did it. It went through.
Yay!
Okay.
That one was
place
challenging.
The blue block
Blue block.
behind
Yep.
the yellow block.
Okay, my blue block has to
She
go
won't be able
behind.
to do this.
What? There's the yellow and the blue block is going behind the yellow block. Can you see it behind there? There it is.
She did it. The yellow block is behind. Oh no, the blue block is behind the yellow block.
The blue block is behind the yellow block. What's next, Jamie?
Place the green block next to the white block.
Okay, oh, here's my white block. Are you ready for me to place my green block next to it? Here it goes. There.
Oh, the green block is next to the white block.
Yay! I love this game. What's next?
Okay, now let's amp it up a little. Let's make it trickier. Put the yellow block between the red block.
Yellow block between the red block. Okay, I think I'm going to need 2 red blocks again. And there we go. There's my yellow block in between the red blocks. How does that look, Jamie?
I think you've got it. The yellow one is definitely between the red ones. Now, under.
Ooh.
Put the green block under.
Yep.
Under.
Yeah.
A blue block.
Oh, a green block under the blue block. Okay, blue block. And green block. There we go. Is my green block under the blue block?
The green block is under the blue block.
Yay!
She did. You're amazing at this. All right, should we do just one more?
One more. Okay.
Okay.
Lucky last one.
Let's put the yellow block over the blue block.
Yellow block over the blue block. I'm going to build something here.
Ooh, lots of blue blocks. But is it going to be over?
Okay.
Where does it go to be over?
Can I put it up there? Is that over the blue blocks?
Oh, let's have a close look. And judge's decision is final. The yellow is over the blue.
Yay!
Well done, Dora.
And what about, where is it now? Is that under?
That is under.
Under, over. Awesome. I've just had another idea. Do you know what else I could do with my yellow block to go over the blue? I could make it do a huge, great, big high jump, and it could join all of its other Duplay friends over here.
Oh, like the cow jumping over the moon.
Yeah, count me in, Jamie.
1, 2, 3.
Whee!
Whee!
Crash!
Oh, very good.
The cow's going to jump over as well. You count us in. Ready? 1, 2, 3, over!
The cow jumped over the blue.
Well done. Okay, and that's the end of our activity.
Well done, Dora. That was pretty fun.
Let's sing a goodbye song.
Okay.
Ready? Okay, here we go. Now it's time to say goodbye, say goodbye, say goodbye. Now it's time to say goodbye. We'll see you all next time.